All right, it's clause number 2025 CC 013781, State of Texas versus Jesse Collette. Are you Jesse Collette?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Collette. You can lower your hand. Mr. Collette, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. You are charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated. Keely, are you proceeding on the .15 or just as a first?
No, Your Honor, we are moving to waive the .15 enhancement and proceed as a DWI first.
All right,
Mr.
Thank you, Jonathan. Mr. Collette, you're charged with driving while intoxicated as a first offense. Range of punishment for that kind of crime is up to a $2,000 fine and anywhere from 72 hours to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Collette, you have several legal rights, sir. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. And what that means, sir, is you could ask the state of Texas to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During those proceedings, Mr. Collette, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Collette, do you understand, sir, you do have those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You also understand, sir, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, but if you want to give them up, sir, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork form he called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Collette, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand what's in these documents?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, wonderful, because these documents tell me, sir, that you do understand what you're charged with, you do understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights we just talked about, but you're telling me you want to give up those rights or waive them because you want to enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Then I will approve the waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Collette, evidently you do have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, sir, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Collette, the state of Texas is going to tell us about that plea bargain. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
It is a $0 fine plus court cost, 38 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, both time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, this will be a judgment satisfied. Additionally, Your Honor, as part of this agreement, the state will be taking into consideration and dismissing cause number 2025 CC 017637.
That is the understanding of the defense, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Collette, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Jonathan, does Mr. Collette have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
He does, Your Honor. He's been able to assist very well in his defense, and I believe him to be competent.
All right, Mr. Jesse Collette, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, please tell me how you plead to the Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated as a first offense. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Mr. Collette, you understand I can still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, promise you anything to make you do that?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Collette. I will accept your plea. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of driving while intoxicated as a first offense, Class B misdemeanor. I assess punishment at zero fine, the cost of court, 38 days in the Bexar County Jail. Cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment in this case, Mr. Collette, is satisfied by the time you've already served. I will also take into consideration and dismiss 2025 CC 017637 in consideration for your plea in this case. Mr. Collette, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Collette, do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, take care of yourself. Stay well. Good luck, sir.
Oh, thanks. Oh, Mr. Collette, make sure to give me a call when you get out of custody.